Hi everybody, my name is Jennifer from Jentle Soaps, and today I'm working on a new line of products. It's a men's line, and we're going to be starting today with the beard oil. Now the beard oil is the basis for the mustache wax and the beard balm and even my conditioning beard cream, which is based on all those wonderful men out there who have shared their DIYs and all of the new products that are on the market for men, and the feedback that I've gotten from men everywhere on how they like the products made with whatever ingredient that I considered. So come into my soapy kitchen while I show you how I make my Burley Beasties beard oil. Making a beard balm, a beard oil, and a mustache wax, and we'll be doing them in different episodes, but this beard oil, which I'm making today, is going to be my base oil that I'll use for my other recipes. So pay close attention. I've gone to all the man sites, all the manscaping sites, and found what I think just might be a step in the right direction. We're going to be doing some testing with my volunteers out there who have so graciously offered to try this balm, but it is made with the same ingredients that you'll find in commercial preparations and in handmade preparations all over everywhere. So alright, so we're going to do a weighed measure. Now each of the oils is in the recipe for a reason, and they're all very light oils, they're all very absorbing oils, and they're all going to have the purpose of trying to reduce irritation in the skin. And so let's get started. So all right, so the main oil that's been recommended is avocado oil. Now I've read a lot about people using olive oil, and I've used olive oil for years in soap, and it doesn't have as good of an absorption ability as the avocado oil. So I'm going to go with the avocado oil in my formulation, and it's going to be the main oil in this. Get to grams. So for the first recipe that we're going to do on this channel, it's going to be 120 grams of avocado oil. Alrighty. 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Now this oil is non-comedogenic, so it isn't going to clog your pores, and it's going to make your beard very soft and a little bit shiny. Alright, this is grapeseed, and I like grapeseed because it's high in what's also known as vitamin E. So it's going to boost a little bit of the other mixes' shelf stability as well. It's an added benefit. It isn't going to keep it from going rancid, but it will extend the life a little bit. So I'm going to put 30 grams of grapeseed. All right, now each of the other oils I'm going to add 10 grams of, and these are essential, I think, for this recipe to work. So you don't have to use, some people like to use almond oil. It's a tree oil, so I'm going to keep it out, but I am going to use the sesame. So for those who prefer an unscented oil, unscented beard oil, they'll find this blend very nutty. I love the smell of sesame oil, and with the avocado and the grapeseed, it's going to be brilliant as a natural smell. Actually, this one doesn't have much smell at all. of that. Now the next oil we're going to put in is argan, virgin argan oil, and I got mine from Windy Point. It's a very, very pricey oil, but I think it's important to have at least a little bit of it in there to nourish. So I'm going to put another 10 of that. And then, what else did I want in there? Sesame, argan, jojoba. Let me just grab the jojoba. That's the one I didn't grab. Alright, so jojoba is another very expensive one, but it's actually a wax and not an oil. But I think it's going to do a lot for my formulation, so we're going to use it. I'm going to put 10 of that in there as well. Okay. Alright, so we're going to give this a mix. Alrighty. There we go. We've got our base oils for doing the rest of our formulations. Now I do have a funnel, so I'm going to use it. Not that one. Yay! Alright, so we'll just put that in there. And I'm ready to, so we're going to keep some of that back. I'll put the rest over here for our formulating. So there's our beard oil for conditioning. All right, now we're going to do some for people to use, and I'm going to use the essential oil blend that that I made last time, and you'll see this recipe in the shaving soap for men. And we made these tubes, so trim them. I still have to clean them up. I've got soap all over them. I just made them yesterday. I'm going to use a little scoop. I'm going to put 1, 2, that's about 20 drops. Give a little mix. So we've got a brand new syringe. We're going to pipe our samples. I'm taking these down to Idaho with me for a few lucky testers. Now I'm hoping that the guys without beards will find this a nourishing, conditioning prep for their faces before they shave as well. So if you have a nice barrier on your face, as long as it doesn't clog up your electric razor, it should also be nice. Alrighty. Oop, too much. I really like this stuff. So come back next time and I will show you how to turn the oil and mix it with a few butters to create a wonderful, fluffy, nourishing, beard drift fighting beard balm for next time. Alright, so here's the oil, and once you've got it all mixed together, you can make it whatever fragrance you want. You can use essential oils like I've done today. This is a citrus blend, mostly orange, a little bit of pine, and a little bit of floral. I think there's lime in there. It's quite nice. It's a nice blend. There's bay. Bay is a nice one. Spicy bay. So tickle your nose, tickle your fancy. Beard oil. I'm going to try that out and see how my men like it. I have lots of men. I have 3 boys and a husband, and lots of brothers-in-law and lots of friends that are going to get to try that. So until next time, this is Jennifer with Jentle Soaps, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.